I almost didn't buy this Alienware Aurora gaming desktop ACT1250. I'll be honest, I had my doubts. And it's not because I'm not a fan of Alienware, but rather I've been burned before by high-end gaming desktops that promise the world but fail to deliver. I mean, who hasn't been there, right? We've all been tempted by the promise of lightning-fast performance, crystal-clear graphics, and a sleek design, only to be left feeling underwhelmed and disappointed. But I decided to take the plunge, and boy, am I glad I did, because this thing is a beast, and I'm not just saying that, I'm saying it because I've experienced it firsthand, and I'm still trying to wrap my head around just how impressive it is. The problem I was trying to solve was simple. I wanted a gaming desktop that could handle anything I threw at it, from the latest AAA titles to video editing and streaming, without breaking a sweat. I was tired of my old desktop, which was starting to show its age, with its outdated hardware and lackluster performance. I needed something that could keep up with my demands, something that could provide a seamless gaming experience, with no lag, no stuttering, and no overheating. I needed a desktop that could handle the latest games at high settings, with all the bells and whistles, and still have enough power to spare for other tasks. And let me tell you, this Alienware Aurora gaming desktop ACT1250 delivers, in a big way. When I unboxed this thing, I was immediately struck by the premium feel of it. The matte basalt black finish is sleek and sophisticated, and the customizable AlienFX lighting zones are a nice touch, adding a bit of flair to the overall design. The clear panel is a great feature, allowing me to see the inner workings of the desktop, and the stadium lighting is just plain cool. The build quality is top-notch. It's clear that Alienware has put a lot of thought into the design and construction of this desktop. It's solid, it's sturdy, and it's built to last. My first impression was one of excitement. I couldn't wait to get my hands on it and start putting it through its paces. As I dug deeper into the features of this desktop, I was blown away by the sheer power and performance it offers. The Intel Core Ultra 7265F processor is a monster, providing lightning-fast performance and effortless multitasking. The 32GB of DDR5 RAM is more than enough for even the most demanding tasks, and the 1TB SSD provides blazing fast storage and loading times. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card is the real star of the show, providing stunning graphics and performance that's simply unmatched. The 1000W Platinum Rated PSU is a nice touch, providing clean and efficient power to the system, and the Windows 11 Home operating system is smooth and responsive. One of the things that really impressed me about this desktop is the attention to detail that Alienware has put into it. The customizable lighting zones, for example, are not just a gimmick, they're actually a useful feature that can be used to create a unique and personalized gaming environment. The clear panel is not just a nice touch, it's also a useful feature that allows me to see the inner workings of the desktop, and to appreciate the quality of the components that have gone into it. The stadium lighting is not just a cool feature, it's also a useful feature that can be used to create an immersive gaming environment. I put this desktop through its paces, and I was amazed by its performance. I played the latest games at high settings, with all the bells and whistles, and it handled them with ease. I edited videos, streamed games, and ran multiple applications at the same time, and it didn't even break a sweat. I was impressed by the level of detail and realism that the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card was able to provide, and I was blown away by the sheer power and performance of the Intel Core Ultra 7265F processor. I was able to play games at 4K resolutions, with high frame rates, and with all the graphics settings turned up to the max. I was able to edit videos in real time, with no lag, no stuttering, and no overheating. I was able to stream games, with no lag, no stuttering, and no dropped frames. In terms of pros and cons, I have to say that this desktop has a lot of pros. The performance is incredible, the design is sleek and sophisticated, and the features are top-notch. The customizable lighting zones, the clear panel, and the stadium lighting are all great features that add to the overall experience. The only con I can think of is that it's a bit pricey, but honestly, it's worth every penny. The quality of the components, the attention to detail, and the level of performance it provides make it well worth the investment. Compared to other gaming desktops on the market, this one stands out in a big way. The performance is unmatched, the design is sleek and sophisticated, and the features are top-notch. I've tried other gaming desktops in the past, and they've all fallen short in one way or another. Either they've been too expensive, too bulky, or too underpowered. But this one is different. It's like a breath of fresh air, it's like a game changer. It's like a desktop that's been designed specifically with gamers in mind, with all the features and performance that we need to take our gaming to the next level. In conclusion, I have to say that I'm thoroughly impressed with this Alienware Aurora gaming desktop ACT1250. It's a beast of a machine, with incredible performance.